And we are in front of the new Knaus Boxlife DQ600, and this is actually the new version of the Boxlife for the 2026. And just in a second we shall be seeing what's different, and the main thing that's different I will show you in just this showroom right up here. So they have developed a new bathroom system, just like Adria and other models, that when you swivel around you actually get a full shower unit, so you can take a shower, and this is completely impermeable. So, well, I'm 184 centimeters tall, and I have some 5 to 4 centimeters more, so up to 190 you can stand easily and take a shower without any problems. The shower knob is right up there. And well, let's exit this showroom and just enter the Boxlife so we can understand how this looks when entering inside. But before we enter inside, we shall be showing firstly this part. So this is an additional double bed for smaller people or kids. All of that is made on the Fiat Ducato chassis, and we have the actual 9-speed automatic. On this part we have standard flying table, because we don't have any stuff to actually connect it, but you can connect if you want to get more stable, but this is the table like that. And then we don't have any cabinets, just a pocket right up here, because we have the upper roof and actual bed. On this side it's completely empty, and for that part we have just one cabinet for your kitchen belongings, but opening we have a standard 2-burner stove with sink and an additional place to store your items when cooking. And the great part is we have a big storage with actual hook table leg if you want to extend it and make it more secure. These are pretty huge cabinets, so you will have plenty of room. If you don't have on this part, you will have down there. And one benefit of this system is that you can order separate sitting option, and this means that you can also move onward and actually move forward and backward. So these are just great single seats that you can adjust on your liking, and they're pretty comfortable. And when I use, just put them back. But the hero part of this build-up is the actual bathroom. As we saw before, we have a newly designed bathroom with actual swivel option. So you swivel it like that, take a shower, and then swivel back, having everything clean and dry to make your stuff on the Tetwork cassette toilet, and a good actually size sink also for washing your tools. Standard, we have the actual window. On this part we have a cabinet over the Tetwork fridge, and this is the largest fridge, just like in this market. It's 138 or 46 liters, pretty extremely big, so 7 days whole family, no problem. Under it there is a small opening to check all stuff. We have the leather stored right up here for the bed, and the bed goes down in just one single push, and the bed is down. And bed is actually measuring a good size, and if we measure it we can get about 179 to 80, and from this side we get approximately 130, so perfect for 2 kids. They will be having a good sleep, because even in colder conditions you are inside of the shell of the camper. And when getting to the back, we are seeing deep 2 cabinets all around, with an additional cabinet open style like that. And as we are measuring the bed size, the longest part is 1.9, and to the actual door is 1.45. Measuring from this side, it's also 1.40. So 1.40 bed, approximate, slightly longer on that side, for comfortable 2 people sleeping. And if we go on the back side, we can measure, and this is pretty much a big garage unit. And then you get also the 3rd bed option on that, so you can have also additional people sleeping. But one of the hidden features is the actual garage 1.3, with on the longest part almost 1.4, and if we measure the height, we will be approximately 0.76. I can confidently say that I can layer down a 27-incher without the front wheel, and then a couple of them just like that. Well, it's on you if you want to do that. Closing off like that, and there you go. This is a new Knaus Boxlife 600 DQ, with the price of this stated model 82,900.